In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Reddit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how to switch to a darker, more comfortable viewing experience, especially useful if you browse at night or just prefer a less bright interface. Let's start from the main Reddit screen. Make sure you're logged in and looking at your usual home feed or any Reddit page. First, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. This might appear as your avatar or a simple icon if you haven't customized it. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open a small menu with several options related to your account and settings. In this menu, you're looking for an option related to appearance. Depending on your version or platform, it will be labeled as display mode or something very similar. Take a moment to scan the list, and when you see display mode, click on it. This is where Reddit lets you control how the site looks, including toggling between light and dark themes. After you click on display mode, a new set of options will appear. Here, you should see choices like light, dark, or possibly an option that matches your device's system theme. To enable dark mode specifically, click on the option labeled dark. As soon as you select it, the interface should switch over immediately. You'll notice the background turning darker, text becoming lighter, and the overall look being more subdued and easier on your eyes. If the change doesn't seem to happen right away, give it a second, or try navigating to another page within Reddit to confirm that dark mode is active. In most cases, the change is instant. Once it's enabled, Reddit will usually remember your preference, so the next time you open the site or app, it should stay in dark mode without you having to repeat these steps. That's all it takes. Click your profile icon on the right, choose display mode, and then select dark. It's a quick adjustment that can make a big difference in comfort, especially during long browsing sessions. Thanks for following along, and now you're ready to enjoy Reddit in dark mode.